Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's start. Set pixel size to 1920 by 1080 and set resolution 150. Drag can in your project and resize it with pressing. Ctrl+T. Choose line tool and draw line from top to the bottom of the can. And repeat same line left to right, and you get measurement of your design area. And choose the rectangle tool and make sure you put same size you get with the line tool. Right-click on the box layer and make Smart Object. And rotate as you feel okay. And press Ctrl+T to make edges smooth, then you double-click on the Smart Object. Then see an other blank window. You need to put your design here and back to your project window. And then selection the can and the Smart Object. Insert into the can. Choose Pen tool and select unwanted area and remove that. And same process. For bottom and add ice PNG image from internet and adjust according our design. Choose erase tool and erase unwanted area. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Creatix.